Good afternoon to all. Now in this particular video of mine, I would like to showcase certain things, and this is like a follow-up from my last video, which was on drawing a simple line graph using the Python library, which is matplotlib. So here you can see that in this particular chart that was drawn, or the line graph that was drawn, basically there are no labels have not been presented. I did not present any kind of heading also, or any kind of textual matter had not been introduced in this particular video that was in the last one. Now I will go ahead and click on the code so that I can continue with my next coding part of it. And here I will also take up the text which is there, and I already have written the code. So what will I do? I will go ahead and simply copy first of all whatever my code is there following the last one, and now I will go ahead, okay, cut, and now here I'm coming to my code, and you will see I have written my entire code. Now if I first of all I would like to make a check and see if I want to make any kind of changes in this code, or should I continue with this one. So I'm saying that okay, I'm absolutely fine. So we will go step by step rather than going ahead with all of them together. And this is the one that I will go ahead and look into it, number one. Then what will I do? I will just simply go where my coding is being presented out, so that I can code the whole thing and understand it also. So here is the one that I want to do, and as usual I will run this one. Okay, now after that I will go ahead and look into the other part of it, so that these are also available and I can check into my labeling part also. So here I will see where I am, and this is the one that has been done, the earlier part. Now what happened to my other things? So I have to see where the things are present over here. Now in this case, this is the one where the text is present. So I will go ahead, link into it, and see that yes, now these are the lines that have to be taken care of. Let us first of all understand what the coding is all about before I can copy paste, run and show you the differences. Here for the earlier part I said go ahead, plot the XY thing that I wanted to do it. Then I am saying on the plot, go ahead and give me the label x-axis. In the same manner, on the plot y label, go and key the words y-axis. That means I have given the instruction that yes, I want these things also side by side. Now the plot title will be what? Introduction to numbers, natural numbers, even and odd numbers. And I will simply say now go ahead and plot and show me the first chart that I wanted to showcase out here. So what I will do, I will simply go ahead, copy this one now, done, and here where I have written, make a enter, click enter, and here you will see this is the first chart. So let us see what we are going to get. Now you can see introduction to numbers, natural numbers, even and odd numbers. This is what I'm writing. X-axis and Y-axis is also present. Now let us see how to go ahead with the next one. So here I'm left out with what now? The figure, that is the function. Figure bracket open bracket close helps in creating a new figure that can hold a new chart in it. So I want in creating, I can write it here rather than in two lines. I would say let me get a new chart for myself, simple, and this one will go away right now. I can delete it out here. This particular line is extra one, I don't want. So I have got plot the figure what? X1 with even numbers. These are the set of even numbers starting from 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Y1 is another set which has the set of odd numbers. And now I'm saying plot this one x1 y1 rather than a straight line. In the earlier case you have seen that it was absolutely straight line, right? I did not give. So this is the default chart that you're going to get. However, if I want a separate line and let that one be done in this manner, that means in a dotted way, and then I'm asking it to showcase the plot for me. So I will first of all let me run this, and then we can see some more changes also in it. So this is the one I have got, enter, and now I have got. Now I'm going to run the entire plot. So here you will see now that I have got two charts. One is the blue solid line, okay, where there are no gaps in this one, whereas in the second case you will see that there are no labels even now. Let me show it to you. There are no labels, no title, nothing, only the dotted line. So if you want, what you can do, you can add those things. Instead of dotted line, if you want star line, add this one and showcase it. And let's see if I can get the star one, and oh, it is not taking the star one out here. Reason, I have written here but not here. So let me go ahead and make it up here and run, and let us see if I am able to run this one or not. No, I could not get it because it had a problem with the star mark. So I will remove. Okay, there is this dotted line. Now let me see if I am successful or will I get again. Now you can see that yes, I have got the star. In case you are not happy with the star cases, you want double stars, go ahead and introduce two stars and again click, and you will see that now it will have these stars which are doubled up with spaces also. So I didn't like it, so I can remove this, and if you want with the plus sign you can introduce it again. So you can see now I have got the plus signs out here. Okay, so here this is how you are going to look and go ahead with the dotted line or the plus signs. And this one I have not, that's what I was saying, plus sign will come here. And now let me run. So now you can see the plus signs have come into the picture also, single plus signs also are there. Now I want x-axis and y-axis. What I will do, I have got already x1, y1. I will just take up this one, these lines, and come up here, copy, paste. And where will I paste it? Let me go, enter, enter. Now I have written here x1, y1. So here I have to write it down, small x1. This one will become y1. And now introduction to, I will take away these ones because this is what I have got. And now let me run. Now I have got the tick mark, that means no error in this one. However, I'll have to check out and see. Now you can see x-axis, y1, x1, so that I can differentiate it. Then introduction to even numbers and odd numbers. So here again you will see I cannot see the odd and even numbers out here. So what do I have to do out here? I have to go ahead and use this particular plot over here, and I'm going to delete this particular line and run. Now let us see what I will be getting. Any error? No error. I'm successful. So the first one shows introduction to numbers, natural numbers, even and odd numbers, x-axis, y-axis, done. And in the second case you can see y-axis and x1 axis, introduction to even and odd numbers. So I cannot see the odd numbers. Now is there anything wrong with the odd numbers, that yes, we were not able to do it? Now I must have done something wrong, and that is the reason why it is showcasing. Okay, I have to first run till here, and let us see now running the whole part. Okay, it is successful. Now do I get? No. Even now I'm getting on y-axis 4 because this is coming up because here I have written it out as x and y in small. Okay, so it is taking up that information only and then it is taking care. However, we have seen how to look into it and to carry forward this one. This I can showcase as a separate one. Let us see if I can. Oh, because of this plot figure, now it has taken up 468, so it is showcasing for the earlier one. So if I go ahead and here define something else, I can go ahead and I can show it also. Maybe in my next video I will show you how to carry forward with this one. Thank you for watching it, and let me come up with yet another one so that we can proceed further with the other introduction to the line graph with something else. So keep watching for more videos from my side. Till then, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.